In this video guys, I'm going to show you step by step how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic. I will make this video super easy step by step. So let's get started. So what you need to do first guys is you just need to open business account on Pinterest. Okay, so just go to Google, search for Pinterest, click on the first link over here, and you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one, as you can see. Okay, so this method can works for any type of affiliate links that you want to promote. Okay, so you just need to follow those steps, and this will be a really easy and simple tutorial that will help you to promote your affiliate links and use free traffic from Pinterest. So what you need to do, like I said, this will be your home page after you finish. And make sure to open business account, not personal account. You need to choose Pinterest business account. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page. You should see over here home feed. Click over here on home feed and click over here on create pin. Okay, like this, and you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, so for example, for me, I want to promote Amazon affiliate links. Okay, so what I will do, I will go to Amazon and I'm gonna search for some product over here. So for example, I'm gonna choose, okay, so let's see software product, and let's choose one of those products to show you how we can promote. So this product, for example, I want to promote this product as an affiliate with Amazon. Okay, I will click on this product like this. And what I will do, what you need to do for your affiliate links, you need first to upload a picture about your product that you are promoting. So I will click on this picture. This is my product picture that I want to promote on Pinterest as an affiliate. I'm gonna double click, save image. Okay, and I'm gonna save this picture. So for example, Amazon, save, and they will go. What you need to do next, go back to Pinterest, click over here, click on this icon over here and upload your picture, the picture about your affiliate service or affiliate product that you want to promote. Okay, so for me, I will promote this one. As you can see, I will click on open, and here you go, your picture was uploaded. Okay, you can, if you are promoting affiliate links for services, upload your service picture over here. Okay, if you are promoting products, physical products, upload the picture about your physical product. What you need to do next is you need to put your title and description. So just go and copy the title of your service or product that you are promoting. Okay, I'm gonna, for example, I'm gonna just copy this link and I will go to the title over here, put this link, description. I will go back to this page. I will scroll down. I should find over here about this item. So for example, this is my description. I'm gonna copy this description, go back to Pinterest, and I will put this description here. Then I need my affiliate link here. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to put your affiliate link here. So for me, I will go to Amazon and I can find my affiliate link here. So I'm already signed up to Amazon affiliate program. This is my affiliate link, as you can see. So I'm gonna copy this link. I will go to Pinterest and I will put my affiliate link here. Okay, like this. What you need to do, click over here again on choose board, and you just need to click, and if you are new, click on create board, and you just need to give it a name. It's really easy and simple, and you can create as many as you want. I already create those, so I'm gonna choose Amazon. Scroll down, put your tags here. Okay, you can just use those keywords on your title. Okay, so people can find your product or your service if they are searching for. This will help you. Okay, you should put tags here. What you need to do next, it's done. You just need to click over here on publish, and here you go. So let me see. Here you go. This is my picture, my title, my Amazon affiliate link here. Or you can put any affiliate links. Like I said, this method can work for any affiliate program that you are working with. Okay, scroll down as you can see. So there are already people are promoting those services, as you can see. Okay, so if people click over here on Amazon, let's say for example like this, they will be directly in this product page on Amazon. If they click over here on buy and they buy this product, I will get commission for free just using free traffic from Pinterest. That's how we can promote affiliate links on Pinterest. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.